additional responsibilities and ownership. The same responsibility which every leader should have, that just gets more prominent. That's the additional responsibility in a way. What is the responsibility? The responsibility is to ensure that everyone in your team is, as I mentioned, having this beautiful, trusting relationship with each other and with you. That's one responsibility. And the biggest responsibility is to ensure the goals that are there as an organization, the business objectives, need to be achieved. Now, this is what needs to be done. And this is what comes along with being a great manager also. But it just becomes more prominent. And as part of this major responsibility, you have to constantly be aware of your team members as individuals. Now that is, I will say, not an additional responsibility, it's part of the core responsibility, but sometimes people do not realize this simple thing, that everyone is an individual, they have got their individual problems, individual aspirations and goals, and that needs to be understood in that context. It's very important. And of course, so maybe a little bit more of extra effort is needed, to do that, to constantly be aware of who your team members are. But if that is done, if that individual level understanding is there, it makes a lot of sense. Also, I will add a very small point. Another additional role which one needs to play is to also start doing a little bit, or not, it may sound a little odd, little bit of branding also. Now, a great manager is also supposed to, maybe when they are doing a program, like for example, I mentioned in my program and I call it Connect the Dots. So give it a name, give it a little bit of branding, because the world, the way what you are trying, the good that you are trying to do can only be accepted and absorbed in a good way if there is some amount of branding around it. So a little bit of effort towards that also is needed as a great manager. So once that personal connect is built, that individual knowledge is built, along with things like building memorable branded practices, somehow somewhere that title of great manager is justified further, and it helps the organization in growing in a big way. I mean, there are tons of examples. Dr. Ankita Singh is a good example, from like Acharya himself, and so many great examples are that once you become the flag bearer for the organization, you become the flag bearer that you are representing the organization everywhere, in terms of new recruitments which are being done in the organization, or the overall culture which is being driven for the organization as well. So yes, of course, it's a very clear formula. More number of great managers in an organization, more engagement, more trusted employee experience, and better performance overall as an organization.